In this video, we will present you 8 easy and effective ways to help you transfer from PC to iPad with or without iTunes. Coolmuster iOS Assistant can copy files from PC to iPad without iTunes. Step 1. Install and launch Coolmuster iOS Assistant on your PC. Step 2. Connect your iPad to PC via USB cable and click Trust on your iPad when Trust this computer pops up on it. Then tap Continue on Computer Interface to go on. Step 3. Choose the required file type from the left window of this main interface, for example, bookmarks. Then click the Import button on the top of the right window to transfer from PC to iPad. The second way about how to transfer files from PC to iPad is by using iTunes. Step 1. Download the latest iTunes on your computer. Step 2. Connect your iPad to computer via USB cable. Then iTunes will launch automatically. If not, manually launch it. Step 3. Click your iPad icon from upper left window of iTunes main interface and select the file type you want to transfer from PC to iPad, for example, music. iCloud Drive also ensures you to copy files from PC to iPad. However, to move files from PC to iPad, your iPad needs to run iOS 8 or later. Your PC requires to be with Windows 7 or later and Mac with Mac OS or later or OS X Yosemite. Step 1. Install iCloud on your PC. Launch it and sign in your iCloud account with your Apple ID and password. Step 2. Drag files to iCloud Drive folder on your computer. Step 3. Wait for your files to upload. After uploading, you can move files to your iPad by going to iCloud Drive, select File, Move on my iPad, choose where to save on iPad, Move. You can also try Dropbox to move files from PC to iPad. However, Dropbox only offers 2 GB of free space. Step 1. Install Dropbox on your PC and log into it. Step 2. Drag files to Dropbox folder and wait for them to upload. Step 3. After uploading, install Dropbox on your iPad from the App Store and sign in with the same Dropbox account. Step 4. Open files you want and use. Google Drive can also transfer files from laptop to iPad, which offers 15 GB free space for you to use. Step 1. Visit Google Drive official website in a browser on your PC and log into with a Google account. Step 2. Click New button and choose File Upload or Folder from drop-down menu to upload files from computer. Step 3. After uploading files from computer to Google Drive, go to your iPad Pro, download and install Google Drive app on your iPad Pro from the App Store. Step 4. Sign in with the same account and find the uploaded files in Google Drive. Then you can view or download to your iPad Pro. Microsoft OneDrive is also an ideal assistant to copy files from PC to iPad. Step 1. Go to visit OneDrive website in a browser and log into with your Microsoft account. Step 2. At the top of this page, click Upload Files from drop-down menu. Select Files from your computer. Open to upload files from PC to OneDrive. Step 3. Wait until files finish uploading. After that, open OneDrive app on your iPad and sign in with the same account. Then you can download your wanted files from OneDrive to your iPad. AirDrop is a pre-installed gadget on Mac and iOS device, which enables you to move files from PC to iPad wirelessly. Step 1. On your Mac, open Finder, go AirDrop, select Contacts Only or Everyone under Allow Me to be discovered by to make your Mac discoverable later by your iPad. Step 2. On your iPad, turn on AirDrop from screen down menu and connect both devices with the same Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Drag a file to the AirDrop window on computer or right-click the file and select Share AirDrop your iPad name. Step 4. After completing transfer, your Mac will make a sound. Then you can turn to your iPad to check your files. You can also use email to copy files from PC to iPad if you just transfer a few copies, since there is a limitation on attachment size. Step 1. Choose a file on your computer, then write an email and add it as an attachment. You can send it out or just save as a draft. Step 2. Log into this email account on your iPad. Find the email with attachment in Sent Mail or Drafts and download to your iPad.